Hey and welcome to another video here on the channel for your inspiration. Today we're going to take a look at the Zoom H1n, the audio interface. Before I have been using the Zoom H5, but I figured this one was a little bit too big and I decided to sell it to someone that would have more use from it, and instead I got this one. So yeah, let's take a look at it. This is the box of the Zoom H1n. You got the device on the front. Zoom, we're for creators on the side. You got the included softwares on the top. Cubase LE and Wavelab LE. And the same, there's the side of the Zoom H1n, which has a micro USB connection instead of a mini USB connection as most of the other Zoom products have. So this is one reason also why I wanted to upgrade to get rid of that mini USB cable that I had to lug around most of the time. This one is one of the simpler audio interfaces that Zoom has. It's just basically like a record button, play controls, a few quick tools, and a gain control. You got a microphone input for a lavalier mic. You got a headphone output on the other side. And that's about it. But that's usually what I need, and it's really small and easy to carry along, and that's more prioritized for me than features. So let's dig in and see what we have. Included items: Zoom H1n, quick start guide, 2 AAA batteries, Cubase LE, Cubase LE startup guide, Wavelab LE. Then we have all those papers that we just mentioned. We come into this part where we have the Zoom H1n in a little fabric bag, and then the 2 AAA batteries that it runs off. That's pretty much it. Yeah. So put that to the side, and we're gonna have a look at the device itself. Oh yeah, this is super lightweight compared to the Zoom H5 that I used to run before, that I just sold. This is really lightweight. Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, let's put the batteries in. The on-off button is on this side here, so you just slide it and the unit wakes up. It prompts, let's see if we can get this, prompts for me to choose the language, so I'm going to choose English, and then select the date, and I'm not sure if I even know the date. Check for done. No SD card. No, that's quite right. So I'm gonna get an SD card and put in the device. Here is the Zoom H1n. Got the SD card. Gonna plug it in on the right hand side here. And then tells me that I got 1 hour and 21 minutes and 53 seconds to record on this 2 GB SD card. Get to choose some settings here as well. So let's see, I'm gonna switch it to, I'm gonna have it at 4824. That's what I think has been recommended by most people. We have the low cut. I'm gonna put that to 80 Hertz. So it cuts off low frequencies because I have some noise from devices here in the kitchen where I'm at right now. I'm not going to use the limiter. I'm not going to use the auto level because I'm going to try with some different gain outputs. So I'm just going to see if there's any sound, any input sound. And to get input sound, we definitely need to turn up the gain a little bit. So let's just turn up the gain. You're listening to the audio that has been taken from the SD card of the Zoom H1n and then put together with the video file. Alright, hope that was helpful to you. Now I'm talking into the Zoom H1n here, so you can hear the difference from the beginning of the video when the audio was captured straight from the Samsung Galaxy S8 that I'm recording the video with. So, I'll see you pretty damn soon, and have a nice day.